Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And I do have another reveal for you. It's not an unboxing. It's just the reveal. I unboxed it right away the day I got it because I wanted to check it and make sure it was okay, and I knew it wasn't something coming brand new. So I got this from Yugi's Closet. I've been getting asked a lot more lately where I buy Pre-Loved from.
Is that in relation to Yogi?
I don't think so. And generally I go with Fashion File or Yugi's Closet. Occasionally I will do the Real as well.
Never the fake?
No. I don't know if there is one of those, but
okay.
Either way. But yeah, I really like Yugi's Closet because one of the really good things about them, this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, is the fact that they take more pictures than any other site that I'm aware of. They take pictures of everything on their site, and anytime I've gotten a bag from there, the bag has actually been better than I expected because their pictures are so up close and make even the little minorest things look major. So then all of a sudden you get them and you're like, oh my gosh, this is way better than I thought. So I got a bag that's very similar to one I already have. And it's a bag that I didn't have anything at all from this fashion house. Finally, I got something, and I love it, but it wasn't quite what they were known for. Let's just put it that way. And then I found another bag that
Teaser.
was very close, and it had what I was looking for, and man, that baby got added to cart. It was relatively inexpensive for a luxury bag, and Yugi's Closet was running at 10% off as well. So without further ado, I got, trying to make sure if this is the right way or not. I don't know if there is a right way, so I'm just gonna pull it out. I just got this little Burberry bag. It's like a little Boston bag. So here's the front. Now this is all coated canvas. And this is what I mean. Here's the first Burberry bag I ever got, which I absolutely love. But it didn't have the, the tan pattern. It's kind of got more white in there. So I wanted like the regular Burberry pattern. So I'm going to say here's the front, although it could be the back. And then there's the side. Other side there. Here's the bottom. Does have feet. And
so is that considered quiet luxury because it doesn't say Burberry on it anywhere?
I don't know if you can say that with Burberry, just because people tend to know the Burberry plaid colors. So yeah, it's coated canvas here. It's rolled leather here. Leather accents, silver hardware, which I think is awesome. And then the inside has, and this is going to be impossible to see, it's a big old black interior with kind of a canvas lining, and there's one real small slip pocket on this side. Makes me think it was probably for a phone back in the day when they were thinner. And then it's got one big zipper compartment. To me, that would be on the back side here. And I really like even the details here, like the little pull for this. So it just goes like that, the silver hardware. So yeah, I got it. It's a little bit, I would say I was gonna say maybe a hair smaller than this one, but honestly it's bigger in different places. So
got some longer handles for sure.
Yeah, it does. And I love this bag. This bag fits everything I want in it perfectly. And I just thought this one was neat too. It comes with a lot of tags on it. Let's see. It's Yugi's Closet telling you that it's been authenticated. Keep the tag on unless you don't want it. And then more stuff about Yugi's Closet. But yeah, I just like it. To me, it's like kind of miniature Boston bag. Sorry, there's somebody in the background showing me a little Santa Claus that's just peeking over the head of the photographers. I'm sorry. I was distracted.
Squirrel!
Right. So pretty soon there's going to be like me, the cameraman, and then the person who makes me laugh in the background when it's not the cameraman. But yeah, this is my newest addition. I just thought it was really neat. Yeah, if you haven't gotten Burberry before, don't sleep on it. You can find the bags really inexpensive as far as luxury goes. And sorry, I just can't even look. And they're just so nice. I mean, they're just great quality, and but the price is so much better. These are real nice, substantial bags, and I think this was like 200 and something. So for less than an SLG, you can have a full-on bag here.
How much is something like that new?
Over 1,000, probably closer to 2,000. So they don't keep their retail prices at all, so I would not buy new. This is Burberry for sure is a bag that I would never buy new. I would only buy
So is that, would you
used.
consider that excellent condition?
I think so. I mean, they just said nice or good condition, whatever Yugi's Closet does, but I can't find anything wrong with it. I just think it's just an excellent bag. Okay, nope, I lied. There's one little, there's some mark on the bottom. And who's going to see that? I don't know. The table you set it on. Oh, yeah, here's one more. Right there. But overall, and who knows if that'll even come out. Like I said, this is a coated canvas. So I may be able to get those out. Not like I'd care because it's on the bottom of the bag. But, yeah, I think it's really, really a cute bag. I was going to give details on it. Let me get the tape measure here just so you have a little bit of an idea. And so... everybody's a comedian at my house today. It is about 8.5 inches across. One of these days I'm going to make you come on here. About 7 inches that way. And then obviously it tapers off. At the top I always like to measure around the middle here. I'm trying to... let's say it's close to 4. Around the middle, little shy maybe of it, but yeah. You want to know the handle drop too? I can give that. I don't normally give that. Let's say about 6.5 inches.
That's a pretty big one.
Yeah, I mean, if you were smaller, you could probably almost shoulder carry this baby. So yeah, that's what I have to show you today. I'm really excited. So now I have my little 2 Burberry bags, and this is terrible. I've been looking at more just because I love this style, and you get them so inexpensive. But I know I don't need more than 2 of these, and so I will probably say this is my last one, at least for a while. And
let's notate that on this video.
Right. And if you have any questions about it, let me know. Do you have anything from Burberry? What do you think about it? I'd love to know that as well. I just love when you leave comments in general. I respond to all of them, and it helps me get to know everybody just a little bit better, which I appreciate. And if you're not already subscribed, I'd really like it if you would consider subscribing. I recently hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited about that. And now I'm on my way to 3,000. And just really appreciate all of you that are here, all of you that watch, and those of you that watch that aren't subscribed. Again, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already, you can find me on Instagram. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I put out videos here on YouTube on Wednesdays and Sundays, and then
Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Sorry, so distracted. So sorry. Wednesdays and Sundays.
Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Oh, son. Wednesdays and Saturdays, I put out videos here. And then every other Thursday, I do a book video. There will be a book video coming up on this Thursday. And on Instagram, I generally put up a reel every week showing you my bag of the week and then the SLGs that I have in it. And then occasionally I post pictures of me with some of my bags as well. I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you for bearing with me while the peanut gallery is just really on fire today, showing me things. Just glad you're here. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
And just to follow up from our last video, that is the Lavender Lady, and that is Baby Grimace.